The word though is a detour sign here, and Tom is ethically strong. So the blank will be filled with something positive and strongly specific. Talk and write are relevant as answers for blank one, but they can be both positive or negative, depends on what he will write or talk, while disabuse means to make error of truth, which is more specific with a positive vibe with respect to the passage. Nothing is discussed here about anyone who is prying or meddlesome, both of which denote anyone who is excessively interested in a person's private affairs or interfering, but the detour sign, though, indicates that the friends are misanthrope. That means people distrust humankind and avoid society. So the correct answers are choice B and choice E.